Hello guys, welcome back to our channel for yet another exciting video. Today we made a list of the best products based on their durability, value for money, overall performance and many others. As always, check on the description below to see the product links and get to know more about them.
More and more people are taking care of business while they're on the go these days. They're no longer chained to their desks or workspaces, so they need office equipment to travel with them.
If you're looking for a mid-range model, then this next pick is a great option.
The Doxy Go SE. The Doxy Go SE is a portable scanner that you can take and sync anywhere without any computer. Just charge it up and turn it on wherever you are, and insert your documents to scan, archive, or to share. Engineered for ultimate simplicity, Doxy works without any need for special drivers. You can turn it on and insert your paper to make a digital copy in seconds. It's also small in size, the size of a rolled up magazine, so when you're done, tuck it in your bag or a drawer. It further delivers crisp, clean copies of your documents in full color at up to 600 dpi. Doxy also stores your scans to include an SD card, just like a digital camera. It can store up to 4,000 scans before needing to sync. With integrated Wi-Fi, Doxy can further send your scanned documents to the cloud or any of your devices nearby.
Next up, we have an excellent option for you. Let's check it out.
Fujitsu ScanSnap S1300i. The Fujitsu ScanApp S1300i does everything you'd expect a portable scanner to do. It can digitize up to 12 black and white or color pages per minute, double-sided no less. It has an auto feeder, and it senses each document's size and color. The portable scanner also has a working relationship with the most popular cloud services and can be powered by an AC adapter or USB. But the ScanSnap particularly stands out for its ability to directly convert the documents it scans into PDF format, so you won't have to do this as a separate step later on. The S13i is markedly improved over previous versions with better, more streamlined features. It's a little on the wide side, but given all that it does for you, it seems like a small price. You can further manage your scanned documents with the ScanSnap organizer, view and edit scans, create filing cabinets, perform searches, and more.
Up next, we have this fantastic model, which can be an excellent pick for anybody.
Epson Workforce ES60W. One of the fastest portable scanners in the market, the Epson Workforce ES60W can scan a single page in as little as 5 seconds. Despite its small size, this single sheet-fed scanner can handle documents up to 8.5 by 72 inches, as well as ID cards and receipts. Use Epson's ScanSmart software to scan, see, and save your documents easily. You can even combine multiple pages of scans into one file with its automatic feeding mode. Compatible with Windows and Mac computers, the scanner can also scan to cloud services, including Dropbox and Google Drive. The unit features an optical resolution of 600 dpi for detailed image capture. A single USB cord connects to your computer for powering the unit when scanning directly via USB. And the scanner features a built-in rechargeable battery for wireless use. For added convenience, the ES60W automatically detects connectivity and switches from the USB and battery-powered wireless mode without the need for user intervention.
If you are someone who travels often, then this model will be perfect for you. It's one of the greatest picks for traveling.
Brother DS640. Scan important documents and ID cards on the go with the DS640 compact mobile document scanner from Brother. The unit features an optical resolution of 600 by 600 dpi for detailed image capture, and it scans ID cards, receipts, letter-sized sheets, and documents of up to 8.5 by 72 inches. Simplex scan speed is a fast 16 ppm when working with an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. The DS640 comes bundled with a software suite that includes document management and OCR software, so you can optimize scans and turn hard copy documents into editable Microsoft Word files. Its compact size and portability make it a perfect fit for scanning on the road, in the home, or a small office, and a single USB cord connects to your computer for powering the unit when scanning directly via USB.
Next up, we have an excellent option for you. Let's check it out.
The Doxy Q. The Doxy Q weighs less than 2 pounds and isn't quite a foot long. It is slim and compact enough to take along wherever you're headed. Doxy offers a couple of other models of portable scanners, but this one has everything, and it is, in fact, Doxy's primo offering. It includes built-in Wi-Fi and has a pretty impressive 8GB memory. The Doxy Q model will hold up to 7,200 images, access your smartphone, and have apps for both Mac and your PC to help you keep everything integrated. It's also wireless with a rechargeable battery. Able to work as a standalone unit or connected to a computer or iOS device, this rechargeable scanner makes it easy to digitize your files, receipts, and photos. Images created by the Doxy Q scanner are sharp and detailed with scanning resolutions of 600 and 300 dpi. Thanks to built-in ABBYY OCR technology, users can also instantly create searchable PDFs.
With a high rating in overall performance, this product stands at the top of the list.
Brother ADS 1250W. Brother's wireless portable scanner is easy to use and carry when you're conducting business on the go. You can quickly scan documents with its 20-page capacity auto document feed. For business expenses, it takes in receipts that are up to 34 inches long. Use the micro USB 3.0 connection with a laptop or PC to get your files onto your computer. You also won't need any specific software to scan. It will enable you to browse to particular destinations to organize business transactions and avoid the clutter altogether. If your business isn't in a storefront or office, you can still take it with you wherever you go with relative ease, as it's only the weight of a small laptop at just over 3 pounds and about the size of a thick ruler that's less than 12 inches tall.
If you've watched this far, I'm sure you'll love this channel. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.